My name is Bill Eustace. I run a program at North Florida College called Advanced Manufacturing and Production Technology. This program was basically designed to fast-track students into the work environment. It's an 18-week post-secondary adult vocational education program that exposes students maybe for the first time to a lot of industrial processes, tools, tool usage, industrial safety, quality control, production processing, and manufacturing maintenance. The program has 4 certifications available through it. They're offered through the Manufacturing Skills Standards Council. That is a nationally accredited organization. If they get a passing grade, they're certified basically for life in those segments. I want all the students that come through the program to be successful. I want them to graduate out of the program. I want them to have the necessary life skills, work ethic, and work skills to be able to be successful in the job market. Actually, the state articulates 15 credits to go into an Associate of Science in Engineering Technology. That's your basic 2-year degree in engineering technology. Then you can go ahead and get a 4-year degree, Bachelor of Science in Engineering Technology. So the program is stair-step. You can get a job from this program, or you can use this to go into additional schooling and then go on and keep going and keep going. There are no prerequisites. I do tell students it's probably a good idea, and these days everybody knows what computers are. Everybody's very good with computers. You need a lot of computer skills in here. There's 14 pieces of training equipment here in my lab that you have to go through. That each one of them has 20 lessons on it. They basically take you from entry level, not knowing anything about that particular trainer that you're working on, through advanced applications, PLCs, pneumatics, hydraulics, robotics. The program runs from 8 until 4. I have students that come at all different times during the day based on their own homeschool or work schedules, but I'll coach you every inch of the way so that we make sure that you're a valuable and viable employee that can retain employment. If this sounds like something that you may be interested in, please speak with an advisor at North Florida College and tell them that you're interested in the Advanced Manufacturing and Production Technology program that's offered here. It's a great start into either permanent employment or elevating and keeping and going on in your education.